List building might look like a walk in the park from the outside, right? But you can't just automate it and leave it unattended. The following are the elements that make list building the ultimate profit-generating online marketing strategy. Lead magnet. A lead magnet is an incentive that you can use to attract people to your email list. It is right there in the name. It is a magnet for leads. That is why lead magnets are mostly free stuff, such as ebooks and webinars. They're designed to give your leads a zero-cost excuse to give you their email addresses, and they are the gateway foundation of any successful list-building strategy. Lead capture page. A lead capture page is simply a splash or landing page designed to totally or partially engage a lead's attention away from other elements on their screen. This way, they can be subtly talked into inserting their email addresses on an email form in your lead capture page so they can continue with what they were doing beforehand. Email automation. Email automation is the automation of your list-building efforts using email marketing automation software, email automation online platforms, or by integrating both. Email automation is a necessary step if you want to be time and cost efficient because it will allow you to essentially automate your communications. Tracking. Tracking the performance of your interactions with people in your email lists is what will allow you to know what is working and what is not working. For example, by tracking, you will be able to find out who is opening your emails and who is not, which will ultimately help you to decide who stays in your lists and who gets deleted from them. Traffic. Traffic to your email lists can be best understood as the number of people that are driven to your lead capture pages through your distribution channels. The most common traffic channel that gets people to lead capture pages is your own website. But there are several other traffic channels worth leveraging, such as search engines, social media, and YouTube videos. Analysis. Analysis is what comes after tracking. Because you are not bound to make smart decisions over your tracked data if you don't analyze it first. To give you an example, let's say that you have a handful of leads that are not opening your emails. By analyzing those leads and assessing their profiles and behaviors, you can determine what to do with them, as you can easily segment some of them and delete the ones that won't simply convert, no matter what you offer them. Optimization. Optimization is a joint effort of all of the previously mentioned elements. Optimization is a use of data gathered from tracking and analyzing your overall list-building efforts so you can then improve. A good example of optimization would be segmentation resulting from split testing your emails on your lists. And this is just the beginning. Fasten your seatbelts because in our next section, we're going to teach you how to integrate each one of these elements into your list-building campaigns.